To open a Robinhood account, start by going to the Robinhood website or downloading the Robinhood mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have accessed the platform, click on the Sign Up button to begin the account creation process. First, you will be asked to provide some basic personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a password for your account, which should be unique and secure. Next, you will be required to provide some additional information, including your address, date of birth, and social security number. This information is necessary to verify your identity and comply with regulatory requirements. After providing the necessary information, you will be asked to answer a few questions about your investment experience and financial situation. This information will help Robinhood determine your suitability for different types of investments and provide you with relevant investment options. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will need to verify your email address and phone number. This is a security measure to ensure that your account is secure and to prevent unauthorized access. After verifying your email address and phone number, you can log into your account and start exploring the platform. You will be able to view your account balance, browse available investments, and place trades. To fund your account, you can link a bank account or use a debit card to deposit money. You can also set up a recurring deposit to transfer money from your bank account to your Robinhood account on a regular basis. Before you start investing, it is essential to understand the different types of investments available on the Robinhood platform, including stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. You should also familiarize yourself with the fees associated with each type of investment and the risks involved. Finally, it is crucial to have a clear investment strategy and to set realistic goals for your investments. You should also be aware of the tax implications of your investments and consider consulting with a financial advisor if you are unsure about any aspect of the investment process. By following these steps, you can easily open a Robinhood account and start investing in the stock market. Remember to always do your research, set clear goals, and invest responsibly to achieve long-term financial success.